Top 5 Best Self-Improvement Books That Everyone Can Read. You can buy all these books on Amazon, link is given in description, please check it once. Eat That Frog, 21 Great Ways to Stop Procrastinating and Get More Done in Less Time. By Brian Tracy. We all know how that destructive downward spiral feels. We have to do some big tasks of which the thought alone triggers resistance. We aren't sure how and where to begin and feeling overwhelmed before we even start. We get easily distracted to get rid of that feeling, only to suddenly realize that hours went by, precious hours, and then find ourselves in the same position as before, still not knowing where and how to begin, but now feeling guilty on top of it, which expresses itself in more craving for distraction. Think and Grow Rich, the original 1937 unedited edition. By Napoleon Hill. From 1937, this book by Hill is a masterpiece. Don't bother with the edited versions since they all omit important and controversial information, some historical and some pertaining to the goal of the book, which is to think and grow rich. The word rich might imply that this book is all about material gain, and while it certainly covers that area, it is about much more than that. The Attention Revolution, Unlocking the Power of the Focused Mind. By Alan Wallace. In a world that is dominated by ever stronger technologies designed to grab your attention, a way to empower yourself is to bring that attention back to where you want it to shine. This book offers just that. In The Attention Revolution, Wallace describes the path to attaining shamatha, a Buddhist meditation state of mind that is free from any flickering of distraction. It is a hard and long path, probably not possible for us to reach in this lifetime. However, even getting to stage 2 or 3 will make everything in life easier. The Paleo Manifesto, Ancient Wisdom for Lifelong Health. By John Durant. This amazing book is such a reflection. It goes back to the Paleolithic, searching for answers to health and longevity. Between science and his personal experiments, Durant weaves a mind-blowing story that will convey the importance of an evolutionary perspective on how to live well. It covers everything from nutrition to exercise, from sleep to fasting, from ancient practices to modern biohacking, and even has an outline for a vision of the future where depression and obesity have become obsolete. If you only have room for a couple of books on this list, make sure this one is included. Mindsight, The New Science of Personal Transformation. By Daniel J. Siegel. All of us deal with one disorder or another, something that seems to disturb the very core of our being at ease, and while it might not always be the best strategy to want to get rid of it, it certainly helps to understand and have compassion for that little aspect that upsets that perfect image of ourselves. Brimming with techniques, insights, and epiphanies, this book contains everything you need to know to reprogram your brain and to optimally use its capacity of neuroplasticity. A great book for spiritual seekers and scientists alike. Please like, share, and subscribe our channel. And don't forget to make it viral. Thanks for watching. Keep supporting us.